Hi, I'm Steve, and today I'm headed to Cohoes Falls, which is on the Mohawk River and is also Mohawk for High Falls. It's a beautiful fall day here. Hopefully we can get some nice views. The power of falling water built Cohoes, where mills and factories on power canals used water power to manufacture textiles and metal goods. Today, the energy of Cohoes Falls is carried through wires to homes and businesses throughout eastern New York. The School Street powerhouse contains 5 turbine generator units with a combined capacity of 38,800 kilowatts and an average annual generation of 190,000 megawatt hours, enough to power 26,000 homes. The 1915 hydroelectric power project uses the dam, upper gatehouse, and power canal of the Cohoes Company's 1800s system. Lower canals were abandoned and filled after the hydro plant came online. These look magnificent. These falls are stunning in person. I hope the magnitude transpires on camera. This is definitely a must-see place in person. If you enjoyed my video, please hit like, please comment, hit the subscribe link. There also is a donate link in the video's description. And look out for more videos all around New York State, the Adirondack Mountains, historical towns and cemeteries, kayaking, hiking, waterfalls, some first drive vehicle reviews, and so much more.